welcome to Lovely Street Cottage. I'm so glad you're here. Today we're going to talk about mass planting tomato plants. Maybe it should be called like group planting, just like broadcast planting. I don't know, planting a lot. I'm gonna check the bunnies real quick. Oh my gosh, Quinn. Quinn, what did you do? You knocked your food over. Look at you. I'll get you some bunny breakfast. Hold on. Oh, everybody's ready for bunny breakfast. Hold on, Mr. Chill. So there's a story. I planted the tomatoes that we needed for our garden, and I thought, oh, you know, I'll plant some extra. I'll sell some extra on Facebook Marketplace. Excuse me. Okay. Thanks for stopping right in front of me. You good? But then this conversation happened. I said to the husband, look how nice, all of these seedlings. These are our tomatoes. And look, honey, nice thing also. Tiny baby tomatoes to sell. And the husband was like, that's fabulous news. How much are you going to sell those plants for? Well, husband, on the marketplace, I've seen that they go for $2 to $3 per plant. That's awesome. Why are there not 100 more on your shelf? So yeah, I don't know. There's probably the market for 100 more plants. Yeah, let me do that. So this is the grand plan. I had seen on Roots and Refuge that she had these little 5x5 containers that she had gotten from somewhere, and she would just kind of broadcast her seeds in there, and then she would split them all up. Well, I don't have those little 5x5 containers, and I really don't have the money to be buying them right now. So I said to myself, where else can I get some tiny little containers? Voila! Tiny little bread pans. You guys, you can get 3 bread pans for $1. So I spent a whopping like $5 and got all of these little bread pans. And then I poked little holes in the bottom and filled them with dirt. So I haven't decided exactly how many of each seed I'm going to put in these little pans, but I know Jessica put some quite thick. These are seeds that I saved last year, obviously. I don't know that I even bought any. I kind of am of the mind that, like, why not grow a bunch? So I think I'm gonna leave, oh my gosh, I'm looking at this thing. There's probably 20 more seeds in here, and I think I probably put 30 in the dirt. And then I will put a little bit more on top and water them nicely. And we will have a bunch of seedlings. It's been about a week since I started those other seedlings. And we'll pot them up, split them up and pot them up the way Jessica does on Roots and Refuge. And I've saved a bunch of space in the meantime, because my current system is to use just like the regular 72 unit seed tray that you can get for $5 at Menards. Silly me, I planted 2 to 3 seeds in each little cell because I knew I was going to split them up. I don't know why I just didn't go with the bread pan system to begin with. It'll save me a lot of space. Look at the difference. So 2 to 3 in each cell versus about 30 in this bread pan. A little bit better. Also, I have never grown marigolds. Look at that. These are white marigolds. They're just beautiful. I'm so excited. Do any of you use this magical time and space saving seed starting system? Because if this works, and I think it will, I don't know that I'll ever go back to the regular 72 cell trays ever. I'm so glad you joined me today, and clearly I got a lot to do over here. I also gotta go feed those bunnies. If you like what you saw, you can watch more garden stuff there, or bunny stuff if you wanna like click around, or you can subscribe right there. See you later.